Hey guys, I'm doing this again in the hopes that you guys take note of this. I just got my paperwork from CalFresh in the mail saying that I'm probably losing my EBT because I don't meet the work requirement. I'm disabled. I've been disabled since I was 34. I have a severe anxiety and panic disorder. The medication I take makes me drowsy. Hence, I can't really work anywhere because I can't be drowsy at work. So I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do. But then I realized I've been doing survey sites all these years, and I don't make enough to really have to declare them on taxes. But I did a general Google search to say, hey, does doing survey sites count towards my work requirement? And guess what? It counts as self-employment. So if you do survey sites, you can earn money and then count that towards your work requirement, your 20 hours a week, your 80 hours a month, in order to keep your benefits. And as you can see, this is my current balance. That's like $30 right there I can redeem. Well, 25 and maybe some more, but yeah, if you do these sites, this is swagbucks.com, by the way. This is my primary site I do. I have posted short videos about some sites that are kind of scammy. I do free cash. I still do free cash, even though they have kind of withheld some of my earnings from some of the games I played on their site or through their site, like Raid Shadow Legends and stuff like that. But I've been making money on surveys on their site pretty well the past like couple of weeks. So with these sites, you could probably make like, keep it under the amount that is required. Like keep it at the amount that's required for your benefits, but then don't make more than the amount, so you don't lose part of your benefits. It's just, I guess it's on you whether you want to have benefits or money in your pocket. I don't know. That's on you. But you can make like upwards of a few $100s a month, and that's supplementing your food budget. That's paying a couple bills off. You know, it helps. Like this site here, I'm gonna go to my activity. I posted stuff like this before, but basically what you would have to keep track of is this page here is your pending activity. That's stuff I've earned, like that I'm waiting on. Like that's $1, that's $3, that's $15, that's $3. And this is like where this shows where you've been qualified or disqualified from stuff. See, it'll show you like this shows you what you've earned that is actually already in your account. This daily meter bonus. This is my bonus from last month. You get if you consistently earn rewards every day. You can have two goals. You have this goal and then this goal. This is, as long as you hit this goal every day, you earn points, or earn bonus points, and it counts towards your monthly goal. And if you hit it all 30 or 28 or 31 days a month, then you get daily meter bonus, May meter bonus that adds up. My bonus from last month was $7.82 basically. These are from playing like a daily game. You can earn only 6 points a day from this. This is from your to-do list, which is right here. To-do list, just complete as many of these as you can. What sucks about this is the daily trivia. Not everybody is going to be home to do the daily trivia. They're going to be at work and stuff or whatnot. So I could do this every day. I just don't like doing the trivia because it's just kind of a waste of time to me. You don't make very many points from it. It's a live trivia thing with a bunch of other Swagbuck users. So, and you can see just consistently earn every day. And then like, where's my rewards? This is my rewards. I think this is going to show my ledger that shows everything I've earned, my redemptions. So you can see here, like $25 PayPal, $25 PayPal, 25, Amazon gift card, 25, 10, 15 gift card, 25, 10, 50, 25, 15, 25. This is basically one thing you'd have to also take screenshots of, or I think you can print this whole page out and save it as a file, because trying to screenshot all this would be kind of a nightmare. So this is like, and see, there's Walmart. You can get Walmart on here. You get Amazon on here. I'll show the rewards in a sec too. See, this is since 2000 and where's the stupid thing at? Since, oh wow, okay, it doesn't keep track of, it only seems to be keeping track up to the 2024. Okay, it used to keep track of all of it, like That's weird. I think this may be when Protege took over Swagbooks is in 2024 or something. I don't know. I could be wrong. Let's see, newest to oldest. Ready to use processor verified used. Yeah, it only keeps track up to 2024, so. Oh well, I was going to show you all the money I've made since 2011. But here, I'll show you. I'll show you that right now. Here's me. Where's it at? Where is it at? 15,000 bonus credited. Okay. In taking surveys, I've made 1,077,180 Swagbooks. That's where I obviously earned most of my money from taking surveys. That is like a lot of money. So that's, I think, like $10,000. That's $10,000 right there. That is from promotional. I don't know what promotional. I think promotional is like, honestly, I don't know really what promotional is. Discovering deals. This is mostly from playing game apps. I see the daily trivia. I've done it like once or twice, and I've only made 146 Swagbooks from that. It's not really a good use of time. Shopping online. That's like if you can link. Let me get out of here. Let me go to shop up here. Shop home, prescriptions, travel, and buy gift cards. Let me see what shop is. Shop is if you link your cards and the stores you shop at. When you make purchases online, or even on your card, it's supposed to just automatically show up in your activity that you made a purchase somewhere, and then within like 45 days or so, you'll earn the points from it. And there's also things you can do, like if you sign up for certain things on here, like services or other things, you earn points when you sign up for them. Most of them you sign up and you get a kickback, but it's less than what you spent. Sometimes you get more than what you spend. Like say if there's a free trial or something, as long as you do the whole trial for like 30 days and then just cancel it on the last day, it counts and you'll end up getting your rewards points for something you did for free. That's one way to do stuff on here. By the way, just to let you know, I'm sorry about the background noise. I should have said this in the beginning, but my AC is on right now and it's warm in my room. I need it on. And I'm recording the audio on my action camera, and I'm doing screenshotting this, or screen recording this Swagbooks page. I didn't really script this. I woke up and just decided I need to share this with other people, because people are probably freaking out right now because they're losing their benefits. But this counts towards your benefits. This is the Free Cash website, the one I have problems with. Oh, I got 8 cents from something. Oh, I know what I got 8 cents from. Okay, yeah, that's my balance right now is like $16. They actually list theirs as dollars, not like points. My active offers right now are Raid, that I'm doing a Raid Shadow Legends, and Invincible Guarding the Globe. But see, all these are ones I started. A lot of them I just didn't continue because I couldn't really earn anything from them. But like Raid, I missed out on a bunch of rewards, like stuff they didn't actually pay me. But one of the ones I did get paid for down here, where's it at? $51. I got paid for this one. I made $51 by reaching, no, that's not it. There's another $51 one in here somewhere. That's Open 6 Sacred Shards. That's not the $51 one. There was a $51, yeah, it's right here. Reached level 50 in 70 days. Within 70 days, I made $51 from that. See, the ones with the lines through them are the ones I didn't complete. Like this that has a line through it, I didn't complete it. Actually, I did complete it. I didn't get paid for it. I was really annoyed by that. But I did, however, reach this one. I made $51 for that, just for playing a game and hitting level 50 in 70 days. I think I hit it in level 50 in about a month and made $51. And currently, I'm playing Invincible Guarding the Globe. I'm trying to get that right now. I got 33 hours left. These are like bonus limited time rewards. If you can get them done, you get this amount of money right here. But I just got 8 cents for, what did I get 8 cents for? I got 8 cents for complete season 1 chapter 3, and I got 8 cents. And it just shows that I installed the app. You don't really get money for that. But like, let's go here. By the way, my name is Lawrence. It's Larry. I've mentioned my name numerous times in my YouTube videos, so that's nothing new. I haven't been doing this site very long. I haven't made very much on it, but like this is what I've made so far this week. Like $1.60 something for like the last 2 weeks I've been earning doing surveys. And this is what I've been doing right here. So yeah, that's about 2 weeks worth of surveys. Here's my withdrawals on this site. Those are like from doing the surveys. That's from just these have it kind of sucks on this site because they charge you to withdraw your money. It comes out of your balance or whatever. So that was that. These 375 redemptions were actually $5, and they charge you $1.25 to redeem it. Kind of sucks, but yeah, it's just the way it is, and things are never going to change. That's free cash. Then there's like, let's go to another one. These are ones I don't really do a lot because I don't have much luck earning money on. This is my points right here. I have a balance of like 304 points, and that's like $3 or less. I think this one has a weird screwy thing when you try to redeem. It's like way more points than you think you'd have to redeem on it. Or no, that's actually, no, that's AdSense. But yeah, another site. This is basically like a Swagbucks clone. This is owned by the same company, Protege. That's my points. Let's go to another one. This is Inbox Dollars, which is also, this right here when it wants to load up. This is Inbox Dollars, which is also another Protege one. So it's basically another clone of Swagbucks. But it's it's really hard to earn from surveys on here. You don't get you could qualify like 10% of the time on surveys on this site. It kind of sucks. That's that one. Here's another one called Product Report Card. This one I do a lot of product trials. I get stuff sent to me to test at home. But this one I think they only redeem as, I think you can only redeem as Amazon gift cards on this one. Yeah, so yeah, you don't get anything but Amazon gift cards on this one. They recently added games to it, but their game list is like very minimal compared to most sites. That's pretty much it for their games right there. That's all you have access to. Most sites have like hundreds of games on them you can do. And a lot of the games are extremely boring and grindy, just to let you know if you're going to do them. That's why I look for ones like Raid Shadow Legends or that Invincible one that actually have action in them, as opposed to just like city building and crap, which is just annoying. But yeah, I don't think there's any other sites I'm going to show right now that I can think offhand that I've been participating in. But there are like literally dozens of these sites on the internet you can go sign up for and earn money on. If you don't have luck on one site, you can try another site. Keep it to, I think you can have 2 memberships per household. So maybe if you or your husband or your better half wants to do it, or your wife or whatever, or I think even kids, if you're 13 or older, you can participate on these sites. You just can't participate on anything like 18 and over, like gambling or like anything to do with alcohol or cigarettes and stuff like that. Well, I mean, never mind, like 21 or older. I'm old. I grew up and think that the limit on smoking was 18. Anyways, and drinking was 21. I lost my train of thought. Damn it. Yeah, 2 per household. Do not use ad blockers. Do not use proxy servers. Do not use VPNs. If you use any of those things, they will freeze your account and you will eventually get banned. If you keep doing it, you have to turn ad blockers off. You cannot use a VPN and you cannot use a proxy. These sites are pretty much available globally, as far as I know. You can do them in other countries, Canada, England, Italy, France, Germany, wherever the hell you are. Unless you're in like North Korea, obviously you'll get like beheaded if you do that. I tried to make money and Kim Jong-un decided to hang me. Anyways, yeah, so that's what you can do. All right, if you have any questions, just put a comment in my video and I can answer it. maybe tips and tricks on how to take surveys and stuff. I don't know. Anyways, all right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and with that, remember to have a wonderful whatever, wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video, e-bike related, or maybe this related, if you want me to make any kind of follow-up survey. I can't do like, a follow-up video on got surveys on the brain. A follow-up video. I cannot like do a live feed of taking a survey though. That's like super against the rules. You sign an NDA on every one of these things. You can't take a survey and like record it, because then you'll get super banned. You can actually be prosecuted and sued and do prison time and owe them thousands of dollars. So don't do that. All right, bye.